I've been needing to wash my hair for the past few days, but instead just been so lazy and just been putting it into braids and stuff like that. But today my Airlux Pro hairdryer arrived, which gives me the motivation to actually do it. I'm excited to try this because of this thing. It's a posture-friendly design that eliminates shoulder strain. You know how when you're holding like the blow dryer up and you know, it's just, I mean, it's literally like an arm workout. This device not only helps with strain, but also makes drying time quicker. So let's open it up. So there's two devices. There's this one right here, and this, and a little bit bigger one right here. So you see that. And then this piece is the one that is really unique. All right, just got done showering. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on because you can actually adjust the speed as well as the temperature using my rounded groove brush. Let's compare that blowing style with this blowing style. So when I put this on and I turn it on, when I blow, I have to blow it like this, which is lifting on my arm, and I have to do this because this one doesn't work, right? My part is normally this way, but I'm blow drying it this way so that like when I flip it, there's actual volume. So I don't have to be all up on top, you know, twirling it, all that stuff. And it makes it really easy. So just turn it on and blow dry it down. Now before it's all the way dry, it's probably about like 80% done, I'd like to use a lightweight finishing spray. And when you spray this before it's all the way done, you basically, it locks in the shine. All right, and this is the final result. Nice and shiny.